Manipur also joined the rest of the nation in celebrating Vijay Diwas, commemorating the victory of India over Pakistan in 1971 war. A function was organized at MSFDS Auditorium Hall in Palace Compound to commemorate the historic moment. Addressing the program, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla said Vijay Diwas is celebrated to acknowledge the bravery and sacrifices of soldiers while trying to defend the unity and sovereignty of the nation. While elaborating on the significance of the Vijay Diwas, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla also recalled the supreme sacrifices made by Bir Chakra awardee BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham and exemplary bravery shown by gallantry awardee Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik and Surya Chakra awardee CRPF Inspector Jeffrey Himing Chlo. He also highlighted that 9 officers from the state were commissioned this year in Indian Army, Air Force and Assam Rifles to serve the nation. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla also lauded the role played by security forces in ensuring safety for people.
Operation Sindoor was a significant demonstration of India's military and strategic power, executed effectively to neutralize terrorist threats, deter Pakistani aggression, and firmly enforce India's zero-tolerance policy towards terrorism. Recent achievements of our defense forces, including modernization, increased indigenous defense production, improved border infrastructure, and swift operational responses, have significantly strengthened national security and reflect the government's firm commitment to defense preparedness and self-reliance. Let's also acknowledge the vital role of the Army, Assam Rifles, Central Armed Police Forces, Manipur Police and State Security Forces who have been working in close coordination to maintain peace. We proudly acknowledge the gallantry of our brave sons of Manipur, Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik of Indian Air Force, a Veer Chakra awardee for exceptional bravery during Operation Sindoor, Constable Deepak Chingakham of the BSF posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra, and Inspector Jeffrey Hamar of the CRPF, Shaurya Chakra awardee, whose courage and sacrifice bring great honor to our state and the nation. As we honor our heroes today, let's reaffirm our collective resolve to support our defense and security forces, uphold national unity, and work together for peace, development, and progress.